1, 0.
Roger, main B undervolt. Okay, stand by 13, we're looking.
It's coming.
Welcome to the Dobsonian Power Solar Sessions again. Here we go again. Bam, 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 bam. Another X-Flare with a strong. This time is a strong coronal mass ejection. I saw it. I was sleeping while it occurred, but I just saw it. And it's massive.
Massive.
Bam, 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 let's talk about it. And I don't think I can place a telescope. This is very weird, man. It was raining a lot, everything flooded here. And suddenly I had to change all my clothes to a t-shirt and shorts right now after lunch, because it's kind of sunny. But it's very, very weird, because not only we have the huge hurricane on Florida, we will track that in a moment as well, but we have on my country as well, on the north of the Iberian Peninsula, but I will not be much affected by it. However, it's very, very weird, We will analyze everything right now, following what we did yesterday. Man, this is huge. This is massive. Look at the particles all over the coronagraph here. Here. Bam! And the comet.
Warning. Please run to the bunker and stay calm. Warning.
Actually, I'm more worried about people on Florida that were evacuated, the ones that didn't. I don't know. I watched people saying that Starguy was evacuated. I had the information already, our Ultra Explorer, but there's people online saying that they are without gas. The gas stations are all without gas, and they don't have they can't go much further away from there. I don't know. We will check that with last images as well, not only from the hurricane but from Florida directly. Oof, what a week ahead. Did you notice that in the recent past, we were talking, I was streaming with a strong M flare, and usually we were saying that it's warming up, and then we wait for a bigger flare and with coronal mass ejection. Right now it escalated already. Right now it seems like I'm here. It's warming up with one X-flare, it's warming up with another X-flare, it's warming up with another X-flare, and BAM! It escalated, leveled up. It seems like it's warming up for something bigger. That's my perception. Welcome Jen, Ted, Zodiac, CO2 is in the house, Blazing Star, Dina, Chuck is in the house. Greetings to you, K, Matt, Zif, Where Bunny, Jason, GRD, Naki, Erasmus, Sandra. Everybody's here. Welcome to the show. Let's start it. So the yesterday one that we had here, you see this one, this was massive, that people were saying not headed to the Earth. And I said, I think it will. So it should arrive tomorrow. It should arrive tomorrow. Hey, earthquake, earthquake. On Mexico. Thank you, Tough Fun Hub, for being an explorer. Welcome to the spaceship. You are an explorer. Where are you? There we go, there we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, all the explorers have access to exclusive content and exclusive participation in our beautiful and unique Explorer Quests. Explorer Quest. And thank you, Madzif Astro, for being a member for 24 months, man! That's crazy! 2 years! 2 years with us! Woohoo! 2 years! 2 years with me, it's quite of a challenge. It's quite of a challenge here. Those will be here forever, for sure. You passed all the tests now. I'm still not recovered from... My wife says it's another one. A different flu or whatever. No fever. No fever at all, but all the lungs and everything, a mess. A mess. I don't know if it's the same or not. Everybody here at home is being impacted by that lung storm. So this was the one that I think it will impact, and according to NASA model that we saw yesterday, it will impact, it will be a, they call a glancing blow, no? In the flanks. Man, if this is slower than the one that we have today, and then we have the solar proton rain again, then we had this one yesterday, the filament. I was not with very hope with this, and I still not have hope with this one. Look at the circle here. Can you see it? Can you spot the circle? It's pointing down. It's like this, the thing that I use with this Burger King cup that I have. You see? It's pointing down. It's pointing down. And we see no halo around. But the next one, today's X1.8. It's perfect. It's perfect for you to see the example of a halo CME that BAM! 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 To us. It will impact in 2 days. 2 days. Look at this. Look at this. This is the comet. For the ones that don't know, this is the comet. Look, the comet looks like, but it will not be, it's not going to the sun. It will not go to the sun. The comet is passing between us, sorry, us, more specifically, the SOHO spacecraft that we have in front of the Earth, and between the sun, spacecraft and the comet between. I'll show you the trajectory yesterday, I forgot, so you can see. What changes, and it's changing now, it's the tail position. That's why from Friday you will see, next Friday, then Saturday, the week, and then more days hopefully, we will see, you and me, we'll see the comet at the left side of the sun, but with the tail to the left. Because it changed. The one that we saw here in the live stream from Chris Green on Texas was at dawn, and it was very early in the morning, and it was with the tail to the right. Now it will be to the left. How is the tail after the impact? We will see after the fact. Should be impacting the CME from yesterday, the comet, but now we have a different one. We have an additional CME, and this one is huge. Look at this. This one was from the filament. And today, at my night, well, we had something here as well. We will analyze. I didn't see it. We had something here. It seems not headed to the Earth. Look again. The thing, the trick of the cup. You see the circle? The ellipse? Here? You see? Look. It's not headed to the Earth. Look. You see? You see? It's expanding, expanding, expanding. It's not as massive as the other one from yesterday. So I think it will not. Let's see if we have a halo. Well, we have something. Maybe it will add to the impacts. But I'm more focused in the next one. Let's see the next one. Well, we have something here. We may analyze it later. Yes, we have something here. This is from the previous one. It looks like. Let's see, because the sun is very active right now. Let's see the other one. Bam! Here we go. Bam! It was from the right side. Remember yesterday I saw you the danger zone. Danger! The danger zone. And bam! And look at the halo. You see? A perfect, almost perfect circle. That means...
Run to the bunker, now!
Bam! Look at all these particles. These particles help to validate everything, although we can see clearly that it's headed to the Earth. This one was not from the right side, sorry. This one was right in front of us, here. We'll see it. Right in front of us. So, from this we can see clearly that will impact the Earth. Then the halo validates all of that. Then all these particles that you see here bumping into the coronagraph, it adds to the trouble. So we clearly see that it's coming to the Earth. Loads of particles. And we had something more here. We'll have to check it. That one should be from the right. And last image. This is the last image. Look at the comet. It's still have here. We will be monitoring the tail. It's very important that it can hang on with the tail, a bright tail, so we can see it in later this week. Bam! Bam, 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 bam! Warming up for a huge event. Are you prepared?
Run!
Warning. Please run to the bunker and stay calm. Warning.
Okay, I will start from the comet. I will start showing you what I forgot yesterday. I opened Stellarium so you can see what I was talking about. Then we will get more imagery as well. Look, we have already this impact predicted by NASA and I think from NOAA as well. We'll see that in a moment. We know that it will impact. It should be in 2 days. We will check all the institutions, but let me show you the comet. Look, the comet is not headed to the sun. It's not headed to the sun. Look, the impact from NASA. Look, 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 look. Bam! 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 here. Look, look, look. Bam! So fast. So fast. Look. It will catch the other one. Bam!
Roger, main B undervolt.
It can.
Okay, stand by 13, we're looking.
It can catch the other one. Where do I have the comet? Earthquake! 3.0 on... I think it's Taiwan. Oh? Man, this is glitching. It's the sun.
Fucking sun.
It's the sun for sure. This is glitching. No, it's not this. This is glitching. Mayday, 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 mayday. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Chris Green is in the house. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bam, 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 bam. Thank you, Chris, for your super shot. Super shot. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will take the opportunity to tell you that Chris Green, look, I'm having for the comet views from the 12th, so from Friday, we can see hopefully the comet naked eye. I'm having awful weather, so I don't know if I can place the telescope. My wife is very upset with the weather as well. She wants to watch the comet for the first time. And it's a unique event. But the good news is that Chris Green, our Ultra Explorer... Ultra Explorer. Yes, right, that's what you are thinking right now. He's having good weather and he may be able to live stream with us the comet. Woohoo! From Texas, the Texas Comet guy will be here with us, so we have a better chance now. Although my weather is bad, maybe it's going to be better. So we may have 2 telescopes already, and maybe more explorers can join us to what we usually do this. We do the explorers, the Explorer Quest. Explorer Quest. Eleanor Green, what's happening here?
It's the end of the world. Run to the bunker, now!
Warning. Please run to the bunker and stay calm. Warning.
Oh, should be very weird. People that don't know, it's the first time enter here. Watch this and the asteroid here, whatever. Where do I have the comet to show you? To show you. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. So, we are here. This is the Earth here, see? And this is the Sun. And the comet, it's here. So it passed already. It came from here, turned around. His orbit is around the Sun. Okay, it's around the Sun. Comets and asteroids usually, not all, but they have the orbit around the Sun. Exceptions like Oumuamua that was in a unknown orbit. So it will do like this. Look, from here, and it will go to the interstellar space towards the Oort cloud that I don't know if we can see here. You see the orbit? It's gigantic. They don't have all the orbit because it's gigantic. It will go to the Oort cloud. The edge, for the ones that don't know, the Oort cloud, it's the edge of our solar system. With all those asteroids, comets, everything. Comets, ice and dust. Asteroids, rock. For the ones that don't know, comets, like this, ice and dust. That's why you see the tail. Asteroids, made of rock and other materials. Mainly. So, let me show you the progression. Earth, asteroid, sun. Now let's move. We are on the 9, 10 of October, 11, 12. And from the 12, you see here, from the 12 will be our best chance to watch it. Look at the tail. The tail always goes far away from the sun. So in the opposite side. That's why it looks like the comet is going to be swallowed by the sun or impacting the sun. No, that will not happen. And if it was going to happen, nothing would happen to the sun.
It's the King's Sun.
It's the King's Sun. It has much more power than any of these sky objects, you see? So, from the 12, you will be able to watch it. We will be here with you, warning you, the 13, and then you still have that opportunity, you and me, to watch naked eye. It will be higher in the sky. It will be higher. You see, we are on the Earth. It will rise in the sky each day. But it will get fainter as well, because it's increasing the distance from the Earth, from us. Thank you, Quasar, for gifting 10 Dobsonian Power memberships. Thank you so much. Welcome, all of you, to the spaceship. You are now an explorer. You are an explorer. Hola, Arizona. And here on Stellarium, which is an application that you could download and install on desktop and or on your smartphone. On smartphone, I usually use Sky Safari. It's another application. You will see it. I'm on 37 latitude. So it will be slightly different, but it will be barely the same. Let's go to the dates so you can see. 9 is today, so 10, 11, 12. On the 12 will be very low. Now it's 4 p.m. Let's move. 5 p.m. 6 p.m. 7 p.m. You see, right after the sun goes away, you try to see at the left side of the sun, but very close to the horizon. So you gotta have clear views. If you have a building here, you have to move to a different place and position to try to watch the comet. This is your best reference is the sun here. This is 7 p.m. here on the 12. Let's see the 13. It rose, you see? It's higher in the sky. Let's see the 14. Even higher, you see? But it will be fainter and fainter. So, what we recommend is for you to start hoping the comet on the 12. The 12 will be Saturday. So Saturday, remember me, and you will go to watch outside with a clear view the sunset, and after the sunset you will try to spot it. If it occurs that the comet gets brighter, remember comets are unpredictable, so we don't know what will happen. It can explode, it can get brighter, it can get fainter, we don't know. We just don't know, nobody can tell you. If it gets brighter, there's a chance that we can watch it before dawn. Before dusk. So during the afternoon, during the day, maybe we can see it, but that's a remote possibility. The better chances are at dusk, at the position I told you. So it's west. Here. It's west. It will be amazing. Let's come back to the sun now. Yes, I will use my telescope and do a live. Oh, I have this open. Be close. Messing it all. Yes, I have my telescope. I will have my telescope and do a live stream if the weather is good. But the problem is that the weather on my location right now, we are under a storm, you see? Storm, but this can change. I'm always positive. We will see. However, if not possible, we will have Chris Green. Chris Green already confirmed that if he has good weather, he will be here with us. So you can count on me live streaming on Saturday. 99% chances of that occur. That's awesome. Let me drink some water. Yes, we will be monitoring Florida as well in a moment after finish this with the sun. So we have the impact already. Bam! It's super fast. Notice that it's super fast here. Bam! From this coronal mass ejection from NASA. Let's see. Let's update in case they change. No, it's the same. Okay, we are good to go. And here on NOAA, we have already here. Just publish it. The same image that I show you. A CME will quite likely arrive at Earth and lead to highly elevated geomagnetic activity. And now the breaking news. The breaking news is this image here. This red square here that says G4. So this is what they are predicting. A G4 is a severe geomagnetic storm, like the ones we had on early May. But it's not a G5. We have G1, G2, G3. It's strong. The G3 is already strong. G4 is severe. And G5 is extreme. They can fail. They can be saying G4 or predicting G4 and can be lower than expected being a G3 or higher than expected being a G5. My bet is for a strong one. We've been monitoring all these days this activity with the X-flares. The first ones were a completely flop. We watched it here and confirmed here. It was increasing the strength of them, and this one right in front of us, right in front of the Earth, with a perfect halo, with all those particles, with solar rain, solar proton rain associated. Fast, as we can see in the NASA prediction. It will be a massive impact.
had a main B plus undervolt. Roger, main B undervolt.
Warning. Please
Okay,
run to the bunker and stay calm. Warning.
And remember that it may add to the other event that I think it will touch the Earth from the yesterday, but seems like it's slower than this one, we don't know. And they can form everything. The coronal hole, we will see the coronal hole, the fast stream, the fast solar wind. It's a stream of solar wind that pushes all of these events because they have a magnetic field and it pushes from the back. We have the filaments. We will see what's happening right now. All of that can add to the problem. So this is the last image. Now let's see. Okay, this was from yesterday, we saw it already. The filament, and now today. Let's see first this one that nobody is talking about. Probably it's not headed to the Earth. Let's see the origin of this one at the left. It looks like it's not headed to the Earth. And just to confirm, yeah, it was on the far side. You see here? You see here? It was on the far side. Look. Strong one. Warning. This is an incoming region. This is an incoming region, so it will not stop. It will not stop. It will not stop. And we had a flare here. Okay. It's an incoming region. And here as well. Wow. We have to check the far side. We have to check these sunspots because it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. And then we had the beautiful one here. Right at the middle. Right at the middle. Look at this sunspot group warming up and then BAM! Very long one. Very long one. He triggered it. Everything around. Notice. This is crazy, man. Like a shockwave. And this is the last image. Let's watch. It's with a glitch. It's with a glitch. You see the coronal hole? Right near this region. Look at this, man. It looks like... Look. This enters in the equation as well. This enters in the equation. Hey, Chris. Have a nice work. Have a nice work. Don't worry. Don't worry. Watch it in the television later. Tonight. It will be better. Severe geomagnetic storm.
Run to the bunker now.
Look at this, and now we have that glitch that I don't know what's happening here. But let's move back before the... This is before the powerful X-flare that we had. Look at the coronal hole here. It doesn't have anything here, so it was from the flare itself. We are watching the event because it's a massive event. Although it's only... Look, the flare it's only X 1.8. If I don't forget. It's X 1.8, right? We had an X9. It's a stronger flare. How can it be, Tiago? Look, the flare is one thing. The solar flare is one thing. It's radiation. the coronal mass ejection associated, it's another thing, and more problematic.
Thank you.
Thank you, Astro Thief, for gifting 20 Dobsonian Power memberships. Crazy afternoon here on Europe. Thank you. Everybody, welcome to the spaceship. You are now an explorer. The spaceship of the explorers. You are an explorer. To explore the universe. Earthquake. Real time. 3.6. It's happening. On. It's Indonesia, no? Or Korea? It's Indonesia. It's here. Indonesia. Loads of earthquakes. So remember. The solar flare, radiation, 8 minutes, bam, home, Earth. 8 minutes, bam, radiation. With these particles, the solar wind, this solar proton rain, it can take 1 hour. For instance, it's not 8 minutes. But the dangerous one, look, the solar wind adds, the solar proton rain adds to the equation as well. The coronal mass ejection, it's plasma. It's material that comes from the sun with stuck with a magnetic field. Its own magnetic field that expands a lot. It's massive. Many Earths. That's why they hit us, even they are pointing to the left or to the right. This one, it's spot on, bam, to the Earth, and it's massive, and you could see on the forecast from NASA. It takes 1 to 4 days, can be 1, can be 2, usually 2 or 3 days. According to the NASA prediction here, the model, you can see that it's very fast, this one. Look. Bam! Very fast. Let me see the time. If they have here, they don't. Where is it? Here. Hold on. Man, this is between 10 and 11. I can't stop this. Let me see if I can print screen. Hold on. Look, 11. 11 it passed already. Let's see again. Hold on. Let me see if I can freeze. No. $11 at midnight. Let's do it again. Okay, 10 at midday UTC. So it will be tomorrow at midnight. They predicting the impact. So it will be tomorrow for you, afternoon on United States, later in the afternoon, and then through the night, according to their prediction from NASA. Man, it's very fast. It's very fast. Let me see what the European Space Agency says about the speed or something, if any. Hold on. I have their report. Okay, X 1.8, so I'm right on that. The sunspot was the 3848, we know that. It's a magnetic type beta gamma delta, so it has a magnetic complexity that it's favorable to these events to occur. Let me see more, blah blah blah. Chance of X flares and M flares in the next 24 hours. They refer here our coronal mass ejection that I say it will impact on a flank from yesterday, and they say after further analysis of the partial hollow coronal mass ejections detected yesterday, we have a possibility of a glancing blow arrival at the Earth on October 11. So it matches what we were saying. Let me see more. So today it's the 9. Let me see the one from today. If they say anything more. Okay, Halo CME, it's this one, the new one. Related with the X1.8 flare. And a large filament eruption west of the sunspot 3848. Velocity suggests a velocity of, listen carefully, 1900 kilometers per second. That's massive.
Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here. This is Houston. Say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem.
Expected on October 10. It's super fast. That's a problem. That's a problem. Super fast, it's worse.
Warning. Please run to the bunker and stay calm. Warning.
Now, this is all from NASA. NOAA, the Space Weather Prediction Center, says G4 is predicted. Remember, G4, it's the severe on the scale. Severe magnetic storm. Expect auroras. And they say the speed here. They are with a lower speed. They tell an estimation of between 1200 and 1300 kilometers per second, still fast. You see, different teams, different countries and institutions have different models. That's why I like to watch them all. There is a potential to reach G4 severe upon arrival on DCME and throughout its passage. We won't know the characteristics of the coronal mass ejection until it arrives 1 million miles from Earth, and its speed and magnetic intensity are measured by ACE and Discovery satellites. Okay. Look at this, very long as the other one, although this is the X-flare here, X-ray flux. They measure the X-rays so we can see when the X-flares occur, and the other flares as well. This one has nothing to do with this one because of the coronal mass ejection associated. And this one as well, look at here at the solar proton flux, the solar proton rain that usually gives me a headache. No headache today, but we have clouds. I don't know if there's something to be with that. Look at this, very high radiation. This is radiation, we'll see that. And this is not yet on the yellow and the red, but it will be. This is the strength. This graphic, it's the strength of the solar storm because it's the geomagnetic activity. This takes more time to have results, of course, because it's the geomagnetic storm. You see G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5. If it's the G4, it will be here. If it reaches G5, it will be here on the red as well. but higher. Man, this is promising. This is promising. What do they have here? Alerts. So for tomorrow, October the 10th, they have a G1, a G3, a G4, and a G4 here. That means at my afternoon will be G1, then it will turn a G3, then it will turn a G4. At my night, so it will be your afternoon. That's their prediction for tomorrow. But they have on the 11th as well the continuation of it. So it will last until the next day, the 11th, and on the 12th it will fade into a G1. That's what they have here. How we read this. And look at this radiation, this map, the radiation on Earth. Look at this all red here. You see? This is because of the North and the South poles, where it enters. The open doors to all of these events that come from the sun, these particles, this radiation, this everything starts always here. Let's see if we had any impact. I'm leaving here. If we have some yellow or orange or even red here. Let's see. Seems that we don't. So this is the impact from the radiation. So from the X-flare. Remember, it's different. X-flare, radiation. Coronal mass ejection, it's other map. It's not this. This is the radiation. Satellites, radio communications, maybe health issues. We don't know. This is radiation. It's not very strong from this X-flare. However, the protons, bam, to the roof. We'll monitor this as well, because this adds to the equation, as I told you. Now let's see the other institutions. Let me drink some water. Yes, tomorrow afternoon on United States. Yeah. My time right now is UTC +1. It's right now it's 4:30 p.m. By the way, we are streaming from here. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude Bortle 5. Let's see the other. First HP index. Let me update this. This should be green. Yes, it's green because it didn't have any impact yet. Should be increasing if my predictions from yesterday are right. It should increase sooner than expected. So this is another model from NASA. Let me see if it loads here. To see if it all matches. All right. Okay. They don't have it here, I think. Let me see. This is far-sighted. You see the other one is far-sighted. They have the other one in this model. Far-sighted. As I said to you. Yes, it looked like far-sighted. I'm getting good at this. I'm getting good. Let's see United Kingdom. If they have anything. Bam! 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 There we go. This one. Bam! Right on the earth. Bam! And they have the other one. Let me see. No, this is 10. No, they don't have anything. For 10, 11, 12. No, this was from the previous one. They don't have anything. This year was from the weekend, the last weekend that we had those auroras. Forget it. They don't have anything yet. United Kingdom not doing anything. European Space Agency. Let's see if they have anything. So the 5, the 6, the 7, today is 9, the 8, the 9, and let's see, it's here, the Earth. Man, this is very hard to see. No, I think they don't have anything as well. 5, this is from the weekend, this impacts. 7, 8, 9. They have the impact, the slightly impact from the other one, and yes, they have here. Yes, it's very hard to see. It's very hard to see, I will show you. I'll freeze and I will show you like this, look. Bam bam bam, this was from the weekend. Right. I will zoom, I will find a way to zoom. So this is the 12. The 12, the 11. The 10. Okay, this one is good. Let's do like this, see if it works better. Okay, what they have here for tomorrow. For tomorrow, no, for the 11. They have a different date. They have a different date. They have a slight impact from the one that we had yesterday, that we saw here. A slight impact. And then they have this one. I don't like very much this design, but it's what we have. This one will arrive later than NASA says. But I think NASA it's right. Bam! There we go, the impact. And that's it. This is from ESA, so they confirm what they were saying about the impact. Now let's see Austria. Let's move forward. October 8. 9 is today. The Earth is here. And the Sun is at the middle. The Earth is here. And bam, there we go. We have the impact. A slightly impact from yesterday. This is interesting. Look. Hold on. The Earth is here. Hold on. Okay. This is interesting. Let me do the same trick. So this is for the 10. So tomorrow, what Austria says it's the first impact, it's that glancing blow. Man, they are matching now, all of them. Our prediction here, that will be from the flank. So maybe I was right. We will see. But it's a slower one. This one is the one from today. It's faster, it's right on the Earth. You see? It looks like it almost catches this previous one. So, the forecast from Austria is an impact tomorrow. Let me see. Yes, tomorrow at my afternoon. At my afternoon. This will be very interesting. We will have 2 of them. Anything can happen. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. Now let's see. This is LASCO image with a halo here. Perfect halo, so confirming everything as well. This now is low. It's the same as the KP index. It does is almost the same. It's predicting the strength of the geomagnetic storm on Earth. It will rise after it arrives Earth, or the instrument, it will rise here again. So it's still early to see that. Still early. Magnetosphere. Plasma heading to our magnetosphere. 9 of October. Bam. It's very, very promising. We'll see tomorrow because this is the 9. We'll see tomorrow. It's more interesting tomorrow. It is not loading. Let's see the far side, because we saw something interesting. Let's see the far side for the week. Oh yeah, we have here, it's that region that we saw, this black, and then we don't have anything so far. We have something forming here and the departing region. Remember, this orange is the far side, the orange side. This is the front of the sun. Okay, we will be expecting trouble from this one here, because it's showing strength already. Okay. Electric power on United States and Canada. This will rise. This will rise after impact. You will see. You see now that we still have loads of blue. If it's a strong one, this yellow and orange will come down. You see? This means that the ground is electrified with electricity from the sun. From the sun. Very nice, very nice. Now let's look at the sun with our eyes. Okay, this was before the flare. We were watching, I paused here. And look the power of this flare, the intensity, look. The coronal hole, this is the region. We can see here. The sunspot is this one, the 48. And look, I'll move forward, look. Bam! All of this. A flare at the same time here. Can you see it? Look. A flare at the same time. Man, this is all connected, man. A flare at the same time here. From this small region here. Incredible, incredible. Incredible, the sun, man. At the same time. This is all connected right now. Look. We do like this so we can see further events. Moving forward. Bam! Affecting this as well. Burning. Here another flare, small one. And very long. Very long. Look at all these loops. Very long. Very long. And then glitch. We don't have image here. Isn't that amazing, man? Bam! Bam! Here it's good, this layer is good to see the filaments. Something small here. This is good to see the filaments. Let's go back. We have a filament here. See? And here. And here. Bam! Oof. Look at the comet. It looks like it's... as it will go like this, in this direction. And then later this week will disappear. Maybe we'll see the size of the tail later. It's huge, look at this. Comet Tsuchinchan, Comet A3. My shot froze. Hold on. No, the asteroid, no. It doesn't have the power of pulling the Earth. Oh, I love your imagination. Very good question here. Yes, space weather is very important, not because of the auroras. Actually, I can't see auroras here. I'm on lower latitudes. Usually I can't, only in a huge event. And I'm not into photography or something. I like to see the photos from the auroras. Sometimes we see them here, but it's not what I'm interested in. I prefer to watch in real time the auroras. I can't, so... Space weather is very important. Look. In 1972, so for you to have the context of our knowledge, only in 1972, so 1 year before I was born, I am 53. 1 year after I was born, humans took the first picture of a solar storm, of a coronal mass ejection on the sun. The first picture, and it was not very well, but it was the first one. Something like this. You see? Something like this. See? Something like this. They could take the first picture not many time ago. In 1989, on Quebec, Canada, many power grids were off. Only many years after, they realized that it was the sun. So they didn't know anything. On 1859, we had the biggest modern event that we know from the sun. The Carrington event, 1859. It was a huge sequence of events. A massive X-flare with a massive coronal mass ejection associated. It was not the only one, it was a sequence of events that caused blackout of the technology back that time. The technology we had was only the telegraph. Imagine that today. Imagine that intensity today. This is weird, man. Earthquake. .1. Australia. No, Indonesia again. Indonesia. So the space weather is very important because first, it can, what we know right now, it can cause blackouts, so it's very important for the companies, the power grids, the institutions to be prepared. So we can be prepared because we know this, for instance, this coronal mass ejection will arrive in 1 to 4 days. The prediction is for tomorrow night. So we will have time, knowing that all the institutions will have time to prepare for that. If it's something huge, they will be prepared to shut down and then turn off and turn on again after the fact. So that's important for us citizens because it affects us citizens. Then it's important because it may affect health. It may affect health as well. So it's important to be aware and to keep studying that. It's very important for satellite communications, spacecrafts. It's very important. We depend more and more on that. And it's very important for now, the present and the future, for astronauts. If we are on the way to explore and be living with colonies in the moon, in the Mars, and so on, we need to be prepared for that. So it's important for the ones of us that are here on Earth, and especially for the ones that are already out there on space, and it will be more in the future. Remember, they will colonize. They will put a colony. There's a space race right now between China and United States on space, on colonizing the moon. The first one that can colonize the moon and put people there living and sleeping for a period of time will win. That's how they see this. They see it as a race. The first one will win and will show the power to the world. It's a Cold War already, no? Bit different, but with the same goals, to be the first ones to do that. And China is very advanced on that. Remember that China just recovered from the backside of the moon, the dark side of the moon, samples and brought the samples already, and they are studying those samples. So they are well positioned. So everybody's on a rush to do that. And then there are studies about already, we need to study it more for the mainstream science to absorb that information, about the solar coronal mass ejections triggering, and even the solar flares triggering events like earthquakes as a trigger only. Not the formation of an entire earthquake, and they don't know very well how they are formed, and volcanoes, otherwise they will do like they did on Florida today, the evacuation, no? They don't do sometimes because they can't predict. If they can't predict, it's because they have lack of knowledge on that field. So they need to improve, and we will improve our knowledge on that. So if imagine that they discover, yes, this has to be with the sun, so that's important. so we can be prepared for earthquakes and better predict earthquakes and volcanoes, so we can save people. If that makes sense. Was a flare with a different view. Then here and then the glitch. Interesting glitch. Another flare? Okay, let's see it. Let's see it.
Warning. Please run to the bunker and stay calm. Warning.
There we go. X-flare again. Bam! Live here. There we go, here. Thank you. Kevin. Bam, 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 bam. X-flare live.
Okay, we've had a problem here.
X-flare live.
Say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem.
Amazing. Let's see. Let's see the origin of it.
Roger, main B undervolt. Okay, stand by 13, we're looking.
Oh, I don't have it here. Yet. Let me synchronize, see. Let me reset this. I think the X flares, if they are during the day, like now, they add to the problem, but not enough. The hurricanes have and thunderstorms have their own dynamics. So in my opinion, they are not enough to do something huge. But they add to the problem. Energy.
Run to the bunker now. Run.
Yes, Starguy is okay. Starguy is under evacuation. Was evacuated, I received the information. And everything is fine. An accumulative effect. Yes, a good sentence.
Cumulative effect on the hurricane.
I think everything is connected, man.
Energy. Run.
Okay, we've had a problem here. This is Houston, say again, please.
Amazing, real time.
Okay, stand by at 13. We're looking.
Real time, amazing, amazing, amazing. Last image. I think it was from the left. No, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, man, look at this. Oh, I wish I could have my telescope outside. Look at this, man. Look at this. It's massive. It's massive. Look at this. Bam. Look, moving back. Incoming region again. Incoming region warning.
Warning. Please run to the bunker and stay calm. Warning.
Amazing, 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 amazing. Look. Going forward. Bam! I'm sure it's from here, Kevin. I'm sure, I'm sure. Look at this. We'll see. An earthquake right now. Is it connected? It's on the region of Philippines, no? Man. Much is this one? I'm sure it's from here. And if it is from here, we'll see later. It can be not Earth directed. We'll see. We'll have to check it later. Let's see the institutions if they have already something. Hold on. Can you confirm if it's the 3852, the new one? I'm pretty sure it is from here. Look. The left. It looks like it was from there. And not from here. Yes, you will see the northern lights. Let's see if they have the prediction already for the last one here on Noah. It's coming now. This was a long one. You see? A spike and then bam! While the other one was very weird, very weird. This one is the problematic one. This one we don't even know if has a coronal mass ejection headed to the Earth. Probably not, but I'll need more information. I'll need more information. And they don't have it yet here. They have the other one. West Limb? Are you sure? 3842? Where did you see space weather? Because space weather sometimes. Like this. This is the last one, we know already. Space Weather Live, no? Because I see in the eastern side the activity at that hour. Where did you get the information? Because I don't see anybody saying it's from the west side. West side, it's the right. I think it's from the left. You have only the X1.84. I think it's from here. Let's check again. Yeah, it can be this one, but this one was previous. No. There was here one, but I think it wasn't the X. In my opinion, the X is this one. This is the X, not this. But we'll see in a moment. Neither this. Is the UK gonna have a blast? UK should be able, if not raining, should be able to watch auroras. It's the west. If it's the west, it's not facing the earth. Maybe it's not visible yet here. But look at this. In a moment it will show here. Look at this incoming region. This should be our focus now. We'll see. Yeah, maybe it's not visible yet. I will... Let me see. In a moment it will. Maybe here. Synchronizing. Yeah, maybe from this region, departing region. Yes, many more events, of course, and we are just in the beginning of the solar maximum. Although some people think we are not, we are. X 1.4, no. Nobody is saying yet, risking the position, but could be that one, could be that one. Could be that one. We'll see in a moment. In a few minutes, it should be available. In a few minutes should be available. Let's see if it is already. Last images. I have the glitch, man. I have the glitch, probably it's over the glitch if it's here. Probably it's on the glitch. Can be this, yes. In a few minutes, let me see if I can change this. There's a glitch. We'll have to wait for official information to validate the origin. But it can perfectly be here as well, yeah. Man, I'm sure, Jody, that it affects the astronauts. Did you know that they protect themselves from radiation with water? With water. Yes, we have people saying that it's on the right side, so the west side, and it's not Earth directed. There we go, it's here. It's here. It's this one. Right side. It's this one. $1.43. But my focus still on the other one. The other one and the one from yesterday. Because I think, and more models are predicting that will have a side impact. Maybe this can catch that one. That's the one that we are worried about. Let's see the hurricane. Let's see the hurricane. How it is right now. While we wait for further imagery. Let me leave this here in case it's needed. Better not. Loading hurricane. It's touching already. I like that one.
The Matrix, it's breaking. Why is this so low?
Oh, why is this so low? Okay, okay, okay. It's running, it's running. Building, building, building. Let's go. Let's go. Real-time images from Noah. It's entering already, man. Look, Florida here. See it? Let's check it out with people. People. 3.6 near Alaska. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Alexander J. Mitchell, for your super chat, man. Thank you, thank you.
Acheon present Namaste, Cosmic Galactic Sunstar, bringer of the down Tiago plus Team Dobsonian power, burning in love, 5D Gaia Galactica, 333 Code J, 77 UAL, Adelaide Omerta.
Altitude velocity light. 8.5 down.
Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here. This is Houston. Say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem. We've had a main plus.
Thank you so much, Alexander. Always a great supporter here. They have image from NOAA as well. Let me see the NOAA images. More reliable. Miss Piggy, collecting data. Operations
Altitude velocity light.
on Milton. Whoa! Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy, look at them, these guys working so hard. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You see, very positive. They are laughing. That's the way to go.
Oh, crap. Alright.
NOAA, guys. Aircraft Operations Center. Your local bus.
Good God. Get these pots.
Real time. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It's massive. This is from NOAA. Amazing, 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 amazing.
Mira, llegó el toldo. Vean los amigos, estudien, cuando les digan con su mamacita, vayan a la escuela y que levántense. Ahí está ya vivo. Lo metí. Véanlo. Véanlo, mira. Miren lo que es turbonada, no es turbonada. Es del huracán chiquitito.
Man, why these guys are there? Why are they on the ocean?
Bueno, chamacos, es la simulación.
It's crazy to be there, man. The Weather Channel.
The National Hurricane Center is warning that destructive storm surge will occur along parts of Florida's west coast tomorrow, and that's where we find our surge warning.
Tampa.
They stretch from the Everglades to Cedar Key, but also notice the potential for surge on the east coast of Florida. They'll see surge. Naples, we could get 4 to 7 feet there. Let's focus in
The
on
floods.
Bay area where we could see a record-setting surge over 9 feet. And I can use this simulation to show you what it will actually look like in here.
They did a simulation. Look, look. Wow. It's massive, man. It's massive. It's massive. Look at this. It will be powerful, man. It will be powerful. It will be powerful. Yeah, man. Okay, let's see if we have already something. Synchronizing. Thank you, Quasar. If you're enjoying the show, remember to give it a like to spread it all over the world. Man, that was massive. I don't want to watch more images of that. I'm glad Starguy could be evacuated. Oh, there we go, after the glitch. Yeah, we just have to wait a bit. I told you, few minutes. There we go. Yeah, it should not hit the earth by the position, but we have to watch this because it's on the danger zone. I will not make any bet while I'm not aware of the coronal mass ejection. We'll see, we'll see. Because it's a danger zone. It's a danger zone. Thank you for your likes. They are free. Okay. Well, I think I will land the spaceship for today. We will see. I'm glad we watched this in real time. Fortunately, it seems like it's not far-sided to the Earth. Earth-sided. But we will have that impact predicted for tomorrow, or maybe the transition from tomorrow and the 11th. We don't know. It will be an amazing rest of the week. I'll be here with you if something huge happens again tomorrow and or even today. And if not, we will catch you all on the comet appearance. This will be awesome. Earthquake 3.3 again on Philippines, near that region. Okay. Thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you in the next live stream. Be positive. Bam! Everything will be alright.